Hi, so in this video I'll walk through the steps of actually installing it on a different device, one that doesn't know about the direct connection to Eclipse here. We'll cheat first, we'll do it on the emulator, and then I'll show you on a different device. So here is our emulator. Something we've got to do first though is actually delete the existing version. So the current version that's installed on this emulator is signed with the debug key, and we won't be able to easily overwrite this. So let's make sure that we remove the existing versions. So on this, we need settings, right, and manage applications. Okay, we can uninstall. Okay, there we go. So now we don't have this app. But in the meantime, what I've done is I've taken that APK file and uploaded it to a public place on the web. And this is just for testing purposes. I'll take down the link in a little bit. I don't want to publicly put this up for too long. So here is the link, and I would like to open that now inside a web browser on a phone or tablet. That link happens to be a lot of typing, so I used a URL shortener. Here was the original link, and the equivalent link is this tiny URL one, which is much easier to type. So back in the emulator then, I can go to the browser, and I typed that link in, which gives me this page. So here is my APK file. I will download that, and now I would like to actually install that. Okay, so oh, there it is up here. So there's different ways to find that APK file. The download is complete. Ooh, let me try to open it, and it doesn't work by default. By default, Android phones only will install APK files directly from Google Marketplace. So let's say that we're prepared to run the risk here and say, yes, we want to install from unknown sources. We're going to allow the installation of non-market applications. And we'll say, yes, we realize there's a risk to this. Okay, so now let's try installing it again. Okay. So I could download it again. There is a way, however, to get to the downloads page. Okay. Alright, here it is. And do I want to install this application? Yes, I do. Okay, it's installed. Let's open it. And haha, there is our app. So I could do the same on this tablet. Let's turn the tablet on. Okay, there we go. So this is a fresh tablet. The only configuration I've done is connect it up to the Wi-Fi here, and the security settings in this case, because this is a different operating system, is under the settings security, and underneath the security menu there is the unknown sources. That's where my thumb is. The unknown sources. Yes, I want to install from something other than the Play Store. Right, so having done that, now someone can send me a link, or I could type in the link in this case, to the APK file. And if I go to the browser, I've already got the page open. So let me download this. Okay, is it going to work? It claims it's loading. Claims it's loading. Come on. You can do this. Okay, we get a warning to say the type of file can harm your device. Do you want to install it anyway? I say yes, because I happen to know the author of this file. And it's starting the download. Okay. It's finished the download, and now I can install it. Yes, I'd like to install it. and let me open the file. And there we have our first app published. Like I said, there are some more steps to setting up a developer developer account on Google Play. It will cost you $25, and you have to jump through some hoops making Google marketing text and also taking some screenshots as well. But there we have our app from beginning to end to publishing. So you watched me do it. Now it's your turn to play. And I'll see you in a future video. Have fun. Bye.